Hi, friends. Okay, this is probably going to be shorter than usual because I don't think I need to spend a very long time talking about this. But if you're feeling drained, do this. If you're feeling drained for whatever reason, go out in nature. Do that as soon as you can. Spend some time in a place like this. Not only it will help you feel better, that's a given, but it'll also help you re-energize yourself, especially if you're feeling drained all the time. I know what that feels like. I've been there before. And places like this have helped me immensely in so many ways. I could be here for days talking about it. But that's my personal experience, it's my personal journey. I've always had a very powerful, strong connection with nature and things of, that nature, if that makes sense, throughout my whole life. Ever since I was little, I've always liked it. It's always been my thing. This is why, to me, it's always very important that I come out to places like this, even when I'm not doing this kind of stuff, because it matters to me. It gives me peace. It allows me to recalibrate myself, spiritually speaking, find my inner balance again, reignite my inner fire, my will to live, to keep pushing forward. A place like this always feels alive no matter what. Even though there is death and transformation all around you at a place like this, it's always alive. This is why, to me, it's important to spend time in nature. I've made a whole video about that. Oddly enough, it barely got any views. So if you haven't seen that video about why I think spending time in nature is important and my own experience with it, I highly encourage you, go back and watch that video. Nature matters. And that's why nature exists. That's why places like this exist all over the place, because that's what they're there for. These places are calling to you, they're inviting you, they're telling you, you're feeling down, you're feeling drained, you're having problems in your life right now. Whatever the case may be, go out. Take some time out of your day. Instead of doing whatever useless things you do that waste your time, like watching TV, listening to crappy music that is not good for the soul. And I'm not judging here, okay? Don't get it the wrong way. I know we're all guilty of doing things like that. But realistically speaking, we waste so much time of our lives with these things that don't do anything good for us. And nature will always do something good for you. How do I know this? Because I've been doing these things for years. And when you go into a place like this, once you go back to your place, you're going to be feeling a lot better. Trust me, it works. It's good for you. So, yeah, if you're feeling down, if you're feeling drained, if you're feeling hopeless, whatever you're going through, are you having negative thoughts right now? That's one easy way to get out of this low vibrational state. Go into a place like this. Places like this are pure high frequency love presence. It's a blessing to be in a place like this. I consider places like this to be my personal cathedrals of joy and light and love and life, because that's what these places represent to me. This is why I'm always here doing this when I can. That's the reason why. So that's my invitation to you, okay? If you're having issues in your life right now, you're feeling down, you're feeling drained, you're confused, you don't know what to do, going to a place like this is gonna do you way more good than you think. You might even come out of it with an answer and a solution for whatever you may be going through right now. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. It works. But you have to allow it. So when you enter a space like this, a place like this, open your heart. Let it flow. Close your eyes. Feel that breeze passing through you. Feel the sun. Feel the warmth on your skin. That nurturing energy. Take your shoes, take your socks off. Touch the ground. Barefoot. Feel the energy of the earth going through your body. Do all these things, and I promise you, you're gonna feel much better later on. It's gonna be an instant thing too. It's not even later on. But you get what I'm saying. It's gonna have a lasting effect on you throughout the day, or even more than a day. And then every time you feel kind of like that, come back to a place like this. It's gonna help you in more ways than you know. I know it. This is all I wanted to talk about this. Short and sweet, to the point. I love you all. Never stop loving yourselves. And I will catch you all on the next one. Take care, my friends.